What's up, YouTube? Real quick, we're getting ready to head out for our trip down to Myrtle Beach. I'm not going to be filming most of the trip because it's already starting to rain and we're supposed to be hitting some heavy rain. So not really going to be filming much of it, but I don't want to have a GoPro on my side of the helmet because it's open on the side for the mic. It's the only GoPro I have. I don't want to mess it up, but hopefully we'll do some updates on the way, or we'll talk about it when we get there, maybe tomorrow. Don't know. We're not going to make it there before nightfall, so we're going to hop on this bike and we're going to get going. Well, first little stop at the gas station. It's raining pretty good, so it's filled up. We're going to hit the road before we hit the highway and see how far we get.
Stuff something up in there, and then I said, shoot, that be going that road, it's gonna blow out on me.
Just thinks against my cold fucking skin, but I'm so goddamn cold right now.
I had the, that little thing that we called up here, and that 2010.
Yeah.
It had the 3 pouches on it. That don't fit on here either.
Nope.
I don't even know if I
It's like a ½ inch too short.
I don't know what to do.
What is up, Wretched Nation? As you can see, we have made it to the beach. I really wish I could have filmed last night. It was the most epically crazy ride I've ever been on. Yeah, our ride last night was horrible. We hit so much rain. I mean, it was an actual thunderstorm. It was horrible. We were probably going 40 miles an hour for the longest time. It was just a crazy ride. The bike was hydroplaning. It was the first time I've ever experienced like true hydroplaning on a motorcycle. It was insane. So I wish I could have got some video, but that just wasn't happening. It would have destroyed the GoPro. We took a 4-hour trip and made about 6.5 hours, which isn't horrible. We did stop to get something to eat, but it was crazy. The lightning would light the road up so much that you could see the ditches were completely full and capped off with water. We saw so many vehicles wrecked, side of the road, turned the wrong side. We saw one vehicle, it was like an SUV, and it was crashed in a ditch, and the water was up to the window, like the bottom of the window. And that's just insane. And of course, you're on a motorcycle looking at all this, and you're just like, man, what am I doing? But we didn't have many options. You either stopped for the night, got a hotel, you stopped and hoped that it would, clear up, or you just pushed on. And that's what we did. We pushed on. We definitely slowed down. We didn't really stop much. We just kept going. We eventually got there. We were completely soaked. Threw our clothes in the wash machine and dried them, and then hopped in the shower. But it was a pretty crazy ride. It was definitely the most dangerous and nerve-wracking ride I've ever been on. I mean, I was gripped to the handlebars. And what kind of sucks about that is I feel like you can't go too slow, because if you go too slow, the water is just going to push you and stop you, and your bike's going to be uneasy. But of course, if you go too fast, you'll just glide over the water and you'll have no stability. There's some cool rat rods over there. But yeah, that was a dangerous ride. I definitely don't suggest it. We were hard-headed and decided we were coming down regardless. We could have waited till today, and we probably would have gotten rained on, but not bad. And the biggest thing is, riding through rain during the day is 10 times different than riding through rain at night. So, but we made it. Can't complain now. Nothing bad happened, thankfully. But Let me know what horrible rides you have gone through. Like I said, I really wish I could have filmed this for you guys so you could have seen it, especially with the lightning just lighting up the night sky like it was daytime. I mean, and you could, not just like in the clouds, like you could see the streaks of lightning come down. It was insane. But we made it. So let me know what you guys have gone through. What is the craziest or most dangerous ride you've ever done? Let me know in the comments below. Definitely let us know. That by far was mine. Just by the sheer agony of having to go through that and having to deal with all of that stuff and get through the night. Because it was probably about an hour and a half of just solid, heavy rain. I mean, heavy rain where you can't see. All I did was basically zone in on the bike in front of me that I was following, and just zone in on his taillights and look for the reflectors in the road. That's all I did. So, but unfortunately, that's all we really have for this video. I don't have much footage of it. So, please like, comment down below, definitely subscribe. And while we're down here at the beach, we're going to try to bring some extra videos for you guys. But as always, keep it wretched.